Cheryl K in Levittown. She's a new mowing customer this year. Scope of work for today is going to be trimming down tall grasses, landscape stone install, digging out these lilies, and shrub tear outs, planting of boxwoods, mulch install. So starting in the back, you have some tall grasses over there, and then tall grasses here, counting 6 I think in total, maybe 7 if you got a small one over there. So cutting them all down, 6-inch height or whatever, hauling away all the debris, easy enough. Next line item is over here. So she has, I would say when we do this, kind of just clean up, like technically, right here, switch hands. Technically, like right here is going to be the neighbor, but I would say while we're over here, just any leaves and debris, clean up the whole area, blow all this out, clean it all up. We want to dig out these lilies the best we can. She doesn't want them to come back. Rake out the mulch, kind of remove it the best we can, and then get down landscape fabric. She kind of wants, she just wants this whole area to be like river jack, 1-inch, 3-inch river jack stone. I think she gets a lot of water in here, so wants it to just kind of like sit in with the water. So she doesn't want all the mulch. So, cut out an edge, get the fabric down once you remove everything, and install of river jack stone in this whole area. So that's that. All right, and then in the front, she really just wants to clean up overall the landscape. She wants basically a total refresh here. So yank this little guy out, yank this dead guy out, and then yank that guy out. For that one, if you think you can chain it and rip it out, you can do that, but it's really unnecessary. She's not super concerned about the roots coming up. She said she's okay to just chainsaw it down really low and try to get the stump as low as possible, and then we can just, if you get it low enough, I would even dig around it so that you can maybe chop it down real low and then hide it with mulch. She said she's fine. She doesn't really care about the stump being ground out, so that's fine. And then once it's all clean slate out here, cut a nice edge for her. She does have, I forget what the name of it is, like a creeping kind of plant right here. You'll see she likes that. You can cut the mulch bed. There's really no edge here, so it needs to get established, but you can cut it like how it kind of is, which is like that. And then fresh mulch in the whole area. So this little creeping guy, leave it, and then I would cut an edge and then put mulch here, so it's you can see the thing. And then she wants to plant, just like her neighbor over there, she said, we could probably should be able to fit 4 boxwoods in this area. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Just obviously you have to kind of work around that stump, how bad the roots are or whatever, kind of evenly space it so it looks good. So planting the boxwoods, reminder to make sure to dig out the area where they're going to be planted 2 times the size of the ball of the plant. So got boxwoods going in here, and maybe get a little plant grow, fertilizer or something, and sprinkle it on the boxwoods just so they don't get so they can kind of start fresh. This whole area, leaves and debris, you can blow and clean all that up. And then over here, this mulch bed, so you do have some of this is in here again. She wants to keep that, but then you also have grass that's creeping in. She doesn't want the grass in, so if you can try to yank the grass but leave that stuff, kind of cut an edge for her, just clean up the bed in general and give it some fresh mulch. And that's it.